Hi, welcome to Zillow Data Exporter. Zillow Data Exporter is a Chrome extension that allows you to export data from Zillow. You can export property listings for sale, for rent, sold, and even your favorite properties. Zillow Data Exporter enables you to export only the data that you need. In your Export Settings tab, you can choose which columns and which data points you want to export. In our case, we have the property URL, the MLS ID, listing description, the property type, and so on and so forth. We also have a few properties that we're not currently interested in. Once you've chosen your properties, click the button, and now your settings are saved. All you're going to do next is choose your format. In our case, we will go with CSV, and then click the Export button. There you go. The data has been exported into a file, and we can see in this file that there are a few empty columns currently, like the MLS ID. And the reason for that is simple. The MLS ID is not present on all the listings. And if it cannot be found, Zillow Data Exporter would just leave the column empty. Now, if you're interested in only getting the most relevant data, that is the data that is important to you, in your Export Settings tab, you can actually click the Remove Empty Column checkbox and save. What that does is simply make sure that the data in the column is there. If it is not present, Zillow Data Exporter will not include the column in your exported file. This saves you the trouble of having to clean your data afterwards. In this case, if we do another export, once again, and open the file, we can see that now the MLS ID column is gone, most likely because it was completely empty. Zillow Data Exporter can also help you export data from multiple pages. It can export up to 800 different properties at once. As you can see from this search, we have 500 results. And if we go down, we can see that there are many pages. We're not sure exactly how many pages there are, but Zillow Data Exporter will figure it out and export all the data. It takes about 2 minutes to do a full export of 800 property listings, and we can start it, but not finish it, because it will take too long. The time to completion is estimated and is indicated right there. You can also find the progress bar here to tell you how the export is doing and the percentage completed so far. If you don't want to get all the data, you can simply cancel the export, and then the exported file will come up with the data that has been gathered so far. In our case, we open the file and we can see that there are currently 121 properties that have been exported. Zillow Data Exporter is a very versatile tool that can help you get the most of Zillow. It has lots of options that you can use to customize your export. You can add or remove data points as needed, and you can contact me if there is any issues with it. I hope you enjoyed this tool, and I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. Goodbye.